Yan. Yung lower berth, 1,138. Tapos yung upper berth, 938. Sa taas ako. Ready ba tayo dyan? The sleeper train is for Asians. Kasi, ayan o. Ito ako. Tapos kasya lang for me. 5'3" lang naman ako. Ang comfy niya. Para kung nasa hotel. Ganyan. Sobrang comfy niya. Ganito palang feeling on top. Saya. We're now in Chiang Mai. Habang good morning from Chiang Mai. At first stop natin ay isang temple. Pero grabe, ang ganda nito on the way to the temple. Pakalinis. Ang ganda naman dito mag-picture. Yan, papapicture tayo sa kanya. Sana maganda. Amoy insenso. Yan.
ความมั่งคั่งมีอำนาจในการประทานทรัพย์แก่ผู้ประพฤติดีแบบ
So I picked 7 by T-Jet. Though misery is through, your family and comrades are all happy, but you yourself still feel uneasy. Merit making and alms giving will fulfill you. We're gonna do merit making by pouring water onto the bamboo. Lagyan natin sa bamboo. Yan. Tapos papunta dun sa taas. Ayan, hilahin na natin. Wow. Our next stop is Rotiam beef noodle, which is, when translated in English, means excellent taste, and it has actually a Michelin guide for 2024, if I'm correct. So let's check it out. They have Michelin guide from 2020 to 2023. Galing. Oh, select เนื้อสดแล้วก็อันนี้ครับสเต็กเกอร์ครับ So I ordered the beef noodles with 2 toppings, sliced beef and stewed beef. Ang sala nung nasa harap nila, oh, Shangri-La. Here's my order! It looks yummy. Sarap. Tignan nyo yung taba. Ang sarap. Pakasarap. This is so unfair. Kalaki, ang sarap. Ito, save ko muna yun. As a beef lover, I like how tender the beef is. Na parang walang effort nanguyain. Sarap. At yung soup. So they only accept cash payment. So kung sakali man na na-influence ko kayo, punta kayo dito. Magdala kayo ng cash. And next stop natin ay Coff and Things, which is a coffee shop. And yan. By the way, 100 baht lang yung binayad ko doon kanina, or 160 pesos. And that, I say, would be the best noodle that I tasted here in Thailand. So, babalik ako for sure. Coff and Things ay 1.4 kilometers or just a 20-minute walk. So, dahil busog na tayo, pwedeng maglakad. At di naman mainit. At para tipid. Dami sinabi. Ang latte, 1 น้อยครับ
ทานนี่หรือว่ากับ
ทานที่นี่ครับ
หวานไหมครับ
หวานน้อยนะครับ
75 บาท
ครับ Dito na tayo sa third stop of the day. So after Coff and Things, we're now here at All Range. It's also a cafe and it's just a few steps away from Coff and Things. And for 79 baht, ang laki nung chicken nila. Let's see kung masarap. For 79 baht, no complaints, it's good. We're done with lunch and we're now going to Doi Suthep and we will try yung kanilang songphaew, and that's the color red vehicle na nakikita niyo sa background. Saan na? Wala pa. Sana talaga Doi Suthep to. Ayan, ang confident ko. Meron palang parang toda or talagang pilahan going to Doi Suthep. Ito ata ay baka service. Yan. Pero kulay red. So, hatid tayo nung nasakyan ko na red vehicle or itong songphaew. Papunta dun sa sakayan, pa Doi Suthep. So, let's see kung saan yun para ma-share ko. สถานีต่อไปมหาวิทยาลัยเชียงใหม่แม่ Next station, Chiang Mai University. Campus tour muna tayo sa Chiang Mai University. naman. Ang luwag niya. Yung color ng buses nila ay violet. So, ang color pala ng Chiang Mai University ay violet. Doi Suthep, 50 going and then going back is 50. So, 100 round trip. 100 baht lang. Tapos 50 yung siningil sa akin ni Kuya kanina. So, dito sa Chiang Mai University, merong sakay pa Doi Suthep. So, itong location nito ay malapit sa Chiang Mai Zoo. Yun na lang yung i-drop pin ninyo. Kung gusto ninyo ng terminal, punta sa terminal ng Doi Suthep. Or pa Doi Suthep rather. So, after 30 minutes of waiting, papunta na tayo sa Doi Suthep.
แล้วก็ทำขาก็10 ล้อรถ
We're 4 persons here.
ขนส่งสินค้าจากไทย
Sunday pero hindi marami.
ข้ามสะพานมิตรภาพ
We're late na ba yung 2 a.m.? Ay, 2 p.m.
เช่นว่าเอาด้วยกันไหมล่ะแต่ถามว่ามันนานนะกว่าจะได้อะไรประมาณเกือบ
After 30 minutes from Chiang Mai Zoo, Chiang Mai University, we're now here at Doi Suthep. ฮันเดียวครับขอบคุณครับมีสukli akong 30 baht. So, tayo. So, knowing how to speak Thai will give you discounts. So, we have 1 hour and 30 minutes to spend here from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Ayan na. Parang di sila masaya. So, yung ginawa ko pala is the cable car option. Kasi, meron namang, yan o, may stairs. Hindi ko agad nakita. Yan. Pero it's also an experience. Tsaka hindi na kayo magbabayad ng cable car na 50 baht.
ปรุงได้ใช่ไหม
肯定我也需要，好玩呢，不要在家里呀、寺庙的观景台可以看到清迈的。
Kilala niyo po ba si Alice Guo? Cheers!
哇，可是我觉得。
ถ้าจะไส้จะไส้จี๊ดก็ได้
Give money for everything. One money to
Hi there. I just got some dinner for tonight after taking a good nap for like 1 or 2 hours sa hotel. Sobrang sarap after mapagod sa Doi Suthep. So this night market or food market is just along the Sriphum Road, which is where I am located. So I just walked from the hotel. That's cucumber with minced pork and egg and rice. Let's eat. Ao mamuwang
มะม่วงปั่น
pan
แก้ว
ครับ
40 บาทครับ
I got myself a mango smoothie for 40 baht and the dinner was 70 baht. Total 110. Not too much, not too expensive. So that wraps up my first day here in Chiang Mai. Tomorrow, I'll try to be early para pumunta sa Mae Kampo. So it's gonna take me a few hours by commute, so need to rest. Good night.